How to make a trade on ESPN Fantasy Football Android application. First of all, open the application, and after that all you gotta do is select your football team and simply enter it on your league or your team dashboard. Next, tap on the Players tab. Now look for the players that you want to trade or filter by specific team roster in your league. Now select the players and look for the trade icon. Now you have to click the box next to the players you want to receive and tap next and check the box next to the players from your own roster that you want to send away, that is exchange. And after you review the trade, to double check the players involved and tap submit trade proposal. Now once the trade is submitted, it goes into a pending state. You can manage it by switching to the league tab and tapping pending moves. You can find it under trades and you'll see the pending trades right over here. From here you can either cancel a proposal or accept or decline if another manager proposes a trade for you. To view the trade deadline, they are available right over here. You can scroll and see for each. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.